What is Brake Squad? Brake Squad is a convenient and affordable way to get new brakes installed on your vehicle. We eliminate the hassle of going to a traditional garage by coming to you at your home or office. Our brake specialists will expertly repair your brakes using top quality parts right on the spot. In less than an hour, you'll have new brakes that will perform as they did when your car was new. And you'll never again have to sit in a dealership waiting room or be without your car for a day. We are brake experts. Whatever you drive, we've probably worked on it. That means we know how to fix your vehicle, and we will do it right. We will show you the worn out parts, so you never have to wonder if the repair was actually necessary. And you'll be happy to know that all of the worn out parts we remove get recycled and don't end up in a landfill. Our service is like none other, and we're growing fast with new locations popping up all across the country. We work on all makes and models, including luxury cars, trucks, SUVs, vans, and whatever you drive. While we work, you can relax or stay productive, care for your kids, or anything else that's important to you. Our process is easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. Call and schedule an appointment. In most cases, we can get to you same day or next day. 2. One of our ASE certified brake specialists will arrive on time with the tools and parts necessary to repair the brakes on your vehicle. 3. Once repairs are completed, you can pay by Visa, MasterCard, or Discover, and a receipt will be emailed to you for your car records. It's just that easy. Need a quote? Complete the free quote form on our website to receive an instant quote. Not sure what repair you need? That's okay. Give us a call. We can diagnose most repairs right over the phone. We look forward to talking to you.